mercy and blessings be upon you. God willing, we'll start a new beginning for everyone who wants to learn CNC. Very slowly together, and we won't complicate things, God willing. This program I've opened has several controls, not just one or two for lathes and milling machines. The T is for turning a lathe, and the M is for milling a milling machine. GSK, Senumeric, Siemens, Fanuc, all the controls will open any machine. They all have basics. Any CNC lathe or milling machine has basics. What are the basics? This panel, okay? The panel and the screen are essential. Any lathe, any milling machine has this screen giving me information. Like the X, the diameter, and the Z, the length. Never mind, we're just getting to know the machine. We won't explain operation or programming. We're just getting to know the machine. Here, I have these buttons. We'll learn what everything says on the buttons and knobs. And the panel that looks like a numbers and letters. Okay. And we have this panel too, and the arrows. We'll learn everything. Let's say you stopped at a machine that doesn't look like this control. It can change completely and still be the same machine like this. This is a control, a completely different look, but it's the same machine and it's the same procedures and it's the same operation and the same programming. And I'll bring you a third look now, okay? Whatever the machine is like when you go to see it, okay? This is the machine in front of you. Changing the panel and the numbers and letters and the numbers here. Okay. There's also a different screen. There's a turret and a workpiece here. A turret, a workpiece, and a chuck. Okay. Let's open the screen on the machine. Here's the tailstock quill. This tailstock quill supports the workpiece from the front here. It has a center. Okay. And the tailstock supports it, especially when the job is long. Got it. And this is the chuck. This chuck is what holds the workpiece. And this is the workpiece itself. Got it. This is the raw material we'll be shaping. Cool. And here's the turret. You'll find it numbered 1, 2, 3, up to a certain number. There are 8 tools that fit in this turret. Got it. That's the basic idea of the machine from the outside. Here we install the tools in this turret. And here in the chuck we mount the workpiece. And if needed we use the tailstock for support. Got it. Back to the screen again. And here we do the programming. And something called the offset, which is the tool measurement or the tool start point, and workpiece offset. We'll learn all about that. And I won't make each video too long so you don't get bored, or so the information isn't too much so you don't lose it. No, each video I make will be a little shorter so you can handle watching it. And the information won't be too much so you don't drop out of the course. God willing, you and I will learn from each other. I hope that my explanations will improve over time and that you'll get the information you need. So let's agree that what I'm explaining applies to all machines. God willing, the next episode will explain all these buttons. Got it? And I'll show you the tools that are installed in the turret. Depending on the job, depending on the drawing I need to shape. We haven't done anything yet. We've only inspected the machine. Got it? And we have to work hard and know how to measure. know how to measure something like this, like calipers. And there's something called a micrometer. Here are our tools. When we open this, you'll find a turning tool. Turning tools here. And this is a grooving tool. This is a grooving tool. We'll learn about grooving and threading tools, internal and external threading tools, and the drill bit. This drill bit I'm standing by. And the tap. After drilling a hole, you tap it. Judo aiguille. Convertira puissant. Got it? Internal grooving, internal threading, and external threading tools. We'll cover all this, God willing.
Okay.
When you go to work somewhere, they'll show you how to operate it, what these buttons do. It won't be easy. It'll take time. But if you go in understanding, you'll get your money's worth. And if you understand, you'll grasp the information faster. They won't give you the programming so you don't outshine them. So learn the programming. This program, God bless it, is great. It's the same machine in every way. It's everything. The wheel moves with you just like the machine. Everything you do. And if there's something wrong, it gives you an alarm. This alarm is for opening and closing the door. Okay? And here you choose the material, diameter, length, and so on. God willing,